is On the Spot with Bubbles, otherwise known as Shannon. So, why do you train?
Oh, I train because ultimately I want to feel better in myself and I want to be a good example for my young children.
Excellent. And why do you train at Elements for Life?
The community, definitely, the friendship, and you guys, you and Sad, have been absolutely awesome.
Awesome. What type of training do you enjoy the most?
I started off enjoying the HIIT training the most, but recently I've been getting into the weights, which I really enjoy.
Good. And what have you learned about yourself since being at Elements for Life?
Been able to push my limits. Before I used to just give up when something got a bit hard, but now I know that I can push myself a little bit further.
That's great. What would your advice be to someone looking to start?
Just come through the front door. That's what I did the first day. This is the first gym I've ever joined. Just walk in the front door, meet yourself and Sab, and soon you'll find yourself having a great time.
Cool. Name 3 things that have supported greater success in regard to your fitness and health.
Getting into a routine, I think that's definitely helped. Good eating, thank you to my girlfriend's cooking, and ultimately just being around good people who are on a similar journey to good health.
Great, thank you very much. This is On the Spot.